Here we go again. February 23rd, 2026. You can see thieves going up and popping the rear window on this Charger. Guy's going to climb in. He's going to scoot into the front seat, pull the neutral release, and this car will be gone. It could have been prevented for cheaper than the half tank of gas. Fellas, fellettes, I'm telling you, go to destroyer1320.com, get yourself a neutral release cover, and stop this from happening to you. Makes me sick that this is still happening today, but I'm glad that we are here to help you. Please, heed my warning. Get this, do not let them take your vehicle as well. Stay safe out there.